Did she brush it?
Yeah.
Or did you already brush it?
I haven't brushed it.
Oh, what the hell? You kidding me?
No,
Dude, that's
no, you're
gotta
already
hurt.
bothering me.
That's
Okay,
gotta
you have to
hurt.
start from the bottom, and then you work your way up.
All right, cool. That you started from the top on that one.
Whatever, I'm trying to get done quick,
Why?
so you can start braiding.
I thought you were gonna brush it anyway.
I mean, I have like waves, so the more I brush it, the frizzier it gets. So I kind of try to avoid it if I can, anyway.
What I mean?
What I mean? Well, like, okay, like if you have like if your hair's not straight, then it's not too obvious. If it's a little knotted, it looks better because it makes it like less frizzy.
Did she grab like the top somewhere right here, right?
Yeah, you can put my bangs in it too, so it's easier.
Fuck, I gotta review the tutorial video. 3 strands, she said. Here we go, left. And right.
Clear. I want to character design. Just tripping out over the shell right now. Hey, Dad, take the switch with me.
The shit is hard with like the thingies.
You have to use both your hands, don't use one hand, huh?
It hurts?
No. It's the second time. He tried brushing my hair and I was like, ah! Just preparing you.
You're doing good, though, for your first time.
It's too many fingers.
You gotta watch him call it braid, huh?
We're at CVS.
Yeah, you gotta get closer to the head.
Take her to the...
We'll take on
Is
my
it-
thing.
You never have this much concern for me.
You do this.
Do the middle and pinky. Dude, it's like a fucking carpal tunnel.
With someone who has thick ass hair, it's even harder. Should hurt your fingers.
pinky.
I think these Asian shows are so dramatic.
What about telenovelas?
See, you got it, you got it.
Oh, you made me nervous. Damn it.
You're doing really good.
And then these small hairs, you just leave them be. That was too loose on the center, huh? Making it tighter.
Tighter. But you
Let's
got the hang
see.
of it. You got the first step right.
Okay.
Here before I do.
Okay, start all over. See if I can do it faster and it really, really fast. Can you brush your hair again, please? This one was the main one. Hair
I
done
make
yet?
a triangle.
Oh.
Closest edge to
Ooh.
the forehead. I do like a triangle. I try to do like a triangle.
I don't have
I thought
knives
you,
for nails.
Oh, and then I just do this. Like
Oh, okay.
I do this. I use my bit between my thumb and these. Yeah.
There it is.
I was looking through some old vinyl I have. I don't have much because I was born right on the cusp of the revolution on this album. The one non-Christian one my mother allowed me to have.
And
This one.
You have to like let her know you're doing it.
one,
She's coming to more than just one.
two.
Right, we're out of town. My boyfriend's busy and my laundry's done and I'm not sick and there's nothing on TV. We could maybe meet up for a couple of minutes.
1, 2.
See?
Don't make him nervous.
I'm just trying to give him confidence. He's
Oh,
doing well.
look. You pushed her up.
We just sell so much for the a little past. Oh, so
So I thought we go. I mean, you like this stuff, right?
yeah.
Yes. This is your big night. No?
2.
Well, everything. Look, why don't we have the town meeting and we'll go get something to eat? A little celebration.
Come on, people, it's not that complicated. I don't want to be a burden. Studio. In her freezing cold studio with no insulation and no heat. Sounds great.
2. 3.
Residents will take him again.
Their kid stuck things in my nose.
Well, then lock the door.
I'll just sleep outside in the gazebo. I would ask, though, that if I die from exposure, don't just dump me in the landfill.
No one's dumping you in a...
Wickham has left his beautiful home to the town. Is his deathbed?
What does that mean to the town?
Luke, what are you doing here?
Just keep going, Taylor.